Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video we will discuss how to download and install Laravel 11 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's get started. Since installing Laravel require PHP and Composer installed and Composer installation require PHP installed in your system, we will install PHP and Composer first and then install Laravel. Since Laravel 11 uses SQLite database by default, we will also install SQLite 3 and connect our Laravel installation to it. So first open a terminal and type sudo apt update and press enter. This will update the system packages. Enter the sudo user password. System packages are updated. Now as the next step, check whether PHP is already installed. For that, in the terminal type PHP space -- version and press enter. You will see a result like this. Command PHP not found. It means PHP is not installed in your system. Otherwise, if PHP is already installed, it will show the installed PHP version. In our case, we will need to install PHP in our system using this command sudo apt install php-cli space php-cgi and press enter. Type y to confirm and press enter. Please wait until the installation is complete. Installation is complete. You can verify the PHP installation by running php space -- version. You can see PHP 8.3.6 is installed. Now you will need to install and enable some PHP extensions in order to install Laravel successfully. You have to install PHP curl extension, PHP XML extension and PHP SQLite 3 extension, since we are going to use SQLite 3 database with our Laravel installation. So type this command sudo apt install PHP 8.3 curl space PHP 8.3 XML space PHP 8.3 SQLite 3 and hit enter. This will install the extensions we specified. So the extensions are installed. Our next step is to install Composer. First of all, confirm whether Composer is already installed in your system. For that, open the terminal and type composer space -- version and press enter. If Composer is already installed, it will show the Composer version. On the other hand, if you see a result Composer not found, it means Composer is not installed. To install Composer, first open your browser and search Composer. Click on getcomposer.org. Click on Getting Started link. You can read the general Composer introduction and system requirements in this page. Click on Download link here to go to the download section. Copy this installer script and paste it into the terminal. And hit enter. It will download and install Composer into your system. It will also display the installed Composer version. Now we will move the Composer to global path so that it can be called from any directory. In order to move Composer to go global path, copy this script and paste it into the terminal. And hit enter. So it's a typo mistake. It should be sudo. I have missed the letter S when copying. Enter sudo user password. Now verify installation by running command composer space -- version. It will display Composer version installed. You can also type Composer and hit enter. It will display a list of Composer commands like this. So Composer is successfully installed. Now we will install SQLite database and we will be connecting our Laravel installation to an SQLite database. Open a terminal window. Update system package list by running sudo apt update. Enter password for sudo user. Let me clear the terminal. Type sudo apt install SQLite 3 and hit enter. This will start installing SQLite 3 database. Wait until the installation is complete. Confirm SQLite installation by typing SQLite 3 space -- version and hit enter. It will show the SQLite version installed. So SQLite installation is complete. So far we have installed PHP, Composer and SQLite 3 in our system. Now we will install Laravel. Let me create a folder in the desktop. Let's name it as Laravel-projects. Now open the terminal and navigate to the newly created directory. So type cd desktop/Laravel-projects and hit enter. Now we are inside the Laravel projects directory. We are going to create our new Laravel project inside this directory. For that, type this command: Composer create -project Laravel/Laravel, then name of the project, let's name it as example-app and hit enter. It will start downloading and creating the new Laravel project. Now downloading and creating Laravel project is complete. The installer has automatically run the migration files, which has created tables like users and jobs within the SQLite database our application will use. If it is not run automatically, you can run these migrations manually. For that, navigate to the Laravel project newly created, cd example-app, run command php artisan migrate. As the migration is already run, it will show nothing to migrate. Now start the development server by running command php artisan serve. Right click and copy this link and paste it in the browser URL window and hit enter. You can see the Laravel project dashboard. This means we have successfully created our new Laravel application. You can stop the development server by going to the terminal and pressing Ctrl and C. So in this video we have learned how to download and install Laravel in Ubuntu operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.